and I. Hey people, good morning. Today is travel day. Today is Saturday. We are traveling for Thanksgiving. We are going to the in-laws and we are going to be driving, so we are not flying there, even though there is a direct flight there. We are going by road. It's going to be adventurous. I feel like we're going to have fun. When we were moving to Georgia, we drove all the way down. Kharia was 6 weeks old. We drove all the way down with her because the same day I was in the hospital giving birth to Kharia. That was the day the Mr. got his job offer here in Connect in Georgia. So my mom was around and it just made sense that we should pack while my mom was here and help us move, and she did same. She left for Nigeria a day before we moved here, and it was a road trip. We had to stop by Maryland, pick my mother-in-law and my father-in-law. And they came to help me settle here. It was an amazing journey, but we spent a total of 16 hours on that journey. We did not get to Georgia till midnight, but I'm not hoping for this one to be like that because we did stop a couple of times. Kharia was an infant, like a newborn, so we did stop, but this time I'm hoping 12 hours, 13 hours max on the road, inshallah. I'm going to bring you guys along. It is currently 6:9 a.m. I've been up since 4:30. I came downstairs very early. The mister was supposed to be up way before now, but I had to just go wake him up when it was time for Fajr. I have sorted out breakfast, the kids' breakfast. I made sunny side up egg sandwich for them, and I have grapes here, and I have juice here for them, and I'm just leaving it open so it does not get too warm. I have their water here already sorted out. This is the Mr. and I's sandwich, and it is avocado egg toast as well, sunny side up egg toast. This is an extra bag I always like to carry, the kids juice, some of my supplement, and my green tea here for the Mr. and I. Another thing that I have here is medicine bag. I always have medicine bag for myself and for the kids. Oh my goodness, why is my battery low? I charged this thing all night, all day yesterday, and it's telling me battery low. But quickly, I also have our tea. This is the Mr.'s own, and this is my tea. I was supposed to go, I've already had my bath as well, so I'm just going to go upstairs to dress up. But this is my bag for my laptop. I still haven't packed my laptop because I was editing a video last night, so my laptop is here. I'm going to pack it now. And I don't know but why my battery did why my camera did not charge yesterday, but I think I'm all packed. I'm just going to go upstairs now. I've also prayed Fajr. I'm going to go upstairs now, change, and just pack the rest of the things. Oh, there is something I need to show you guys. I made this tribe crunchy tribe whatever stir fry, so this is going to be for the road. This is something the Mr. loves a lot, so I made it the other night and I'm going to warm it. It's going to be one of the last things I warm before we head out the door. So please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I am going to try to charge this camera however little I can get, just so that I can bring you guys along on the road, because I have no freaking idea why this battery is low right now. Like, this is not the right time for this. We are all set.
Hi! I have to blow my nose, actually.
Okay, yeah, not on the camera, please. Can you put this in the green bag?
Okay.
You forgot to carry your food.
Coca-Cola for my sister.
So I'm going to bring tissue for you, okay?
Okay.
Hey guys, so we are still here. We've not left the house. We are about to leave for a journey that we intended to start around 6 a.m. It is currently 7:15, and this is to no fault of mine. I woke up very early. I was set, I cooked, I cleaned. The only thing I wanted to do that I did not get to do was to do incense before leaving, but I did refill all the air freshener this thing around the house yesterday, so I know I'm going to come to a fresh this thing. Then the other thing I wanted to do was to fix our bed and put on the rumba. I didn't get to do that because that was supposed to be in collaboration with the mister, but no, we did not. So I'm tired, I'm sleepy. I'm wearing these two-piece that the mister got for me last year, and it's exactly a year ago that he got it for me. Thank you, Nunu. This is what I'm wearing. It says black is what I'm wearing, I think. Thank you, Kairia. And pairing it with this veil from Hot Hijab. Yeah, so this is the start of the journey. What is the time? 7:17. So babe, how long do you think it's going to take us? 12 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours. Say something. 12 hours.
No,
12 hours.
I know it.
16 hours. The mister is saying that it's going to take us 16 hours. So we are going to keep you guys updated and see how this journey goes, inshallah. Hey guys, so this is an update on this journey. Let me remove my glasses so that you guys can see me well. And Sarah, please, can you reduce the volume? Please? So we are here at the gas station. Kairia and her dad are they went to the restroom, so I'm here with Ansar. I also need to go to the restroom, but he's getting gas, and I just woke up from a nap and I want my body to wake up first. And we also want to pray. We were looking for a masjid, but we could not get one that is open, so maybe the ones around here only open on Fridays or thereabouts. So where are we are currently in Virginia. It is 1 p.m. so we passed South Carolina, we passed North Carolina. Now we're in Virginia, just getting into Virginia. We made one stop because Kairia told us that she wanted to pee before. That was when we were like 3 hours into the journey, and she didn't pee. she just wasted our time. So, and we've not even, and Sarah have not really eaten much. This thing that I got, the tribe stir fry that I have, that was what he could eat like a few out of, because he's actually not feeling well. He has cold, his asthma is acting up, so his appetite is really down. So but he ate about 3 pieces, just to cleanse his palate and warm him up to eat something. So he ate that, and he didn't even drink his juice, because this is the juice here. So we are here just to update this vlog. I'm really tired. Everybody is saying that we should stop at Maryland, at his brother's place, but I feel like we should just keep pushing the journey. So yeah, this is the update on this vlog. I'm tired. My legs are already killing me, and according to the GPS, we should be in Connecticut by 8:30. And that was because we stopped. Now that we are stopping, so maybe we're talking about 9 o'clock, 9:30 thereabouts. Yeah, because I'm 100% sure we are still going to make one more stop. This is the second stop, and I'm sure we are going to do like 2 more stops. The mister is pumped to make the journey all the way through as well, because he's done Abuja Lagos road. You guys know, if you've done that road, there's nowhere you cannot drive to in this world anymore. Like no journey is going to be difficult for you, because that, even me to have done Abuja Lagos road, not me driving but him. So he loves to drive. We both love road trips, so more than flying, because We just like wahala. Yes. We are at the gas station. We want to get some fuel and pray. Yes, ma. But I think we are just getting into Virginia. No, we are not. Not anytime soon. So, stop asking. Are you guys tired?
No. Yes, I am.
You are?
I am not.
Yeah, you've been sleeping, Aisha.
Yeah, I was sleeping.
Oh, okay.
The Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower. Awesome.
No, it says you can do up to 4 cars.
This is the Eiffel Tower. I know.
There's a snake on my face. Yeah, there sure is. Which pink snakes do you know? Blank pink snakes live near Madagascar, so I'm usually one of those. Yeah, while we're talking, you think you can get it off me? It's you! Oh, that is one long Slurpee tongue. Slurpee! Hey, Slurpee! How do you get here? I'm boiling out here. You call that digging? I told you if I'm gonna survive this heat, I need that bulldog by midday. I despise being out in nature on these animals.
No, I made a hard stand.
Oh, this heart. Now,
A C zero Sarah.
say it again.
A
Yeah, you can
Sarah.
Hey people, so this is update. Like since the last update, what happened? We've been battling traffic. We've been stuck in traffic like 2 hours between Virginia to Maryland. We are currently in Maryland, Welcome Center. We want to use the restroom. We also want to give Ansar his medication. So his dad, Ansar and his dad have gone to the restroom. So Kaya and I are in the car. It is currently 5:30. Kaya is doing her Islamia. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I can't speak loud because Kaya is doing her Islamia. She's almost done though. So yeah, it's not been easy. I am tired. I keep asking the mister if he wants us to stay, but he said he wants us to continue. He wants us to continue.
What?
So yeah, I don't mind continuing, but I just want.
Wait. So, mommy, somebody's calling you.
So yeah, this is the update. My battery is very low. Because you guys remember what happened this morning before we left the house. So I thought I charged it, but I did not. So we are currently. I'm just going to go go to restroom once Kyria is done with her Islamia. I'll go to the restroom, then we'll continue the journey. I don't know if I'll be able to update again, Sha, but let's see how it goes. But yeah, I am tired. Like it's dark already because of the time. This thing, light power saving or light saving, whatever. It's dark. Are you using Cross River Calabar?
Yeah.
Cross River Calabar. Delta. Is the way that it is. No state has bad roads like this. New York. Look at how I'm shaped. Hey, destined driver, hi. Turn around. Where are you running to? Hey fam, so we are here. We are at my parents-in-law's house. Parents-in-law. Yeah, we are here, Sha. Ansar is sleeping. Harrier is sleeping. The mister is knocking the door. We are tired. The journey is a total of 15.5 hours. Let's just say 16 as the mister estimated, but alhamdulillah we're here. So I think this is a good place to end the vlog while we wait for the door to be open for us. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in our Connecticut vlog if there is any. If I get to film, I'll bring you guys along. But yeah, the garage is being opened, and catch you guys. Bye.
It's like a family tree.